For two chefs, another healthy lunch today. We're going to do some chicken breast with salsa as the sauce, the shirataki noodles. We got some broccoli, some onions, and some mushrooms. Just a quick lunch. All right, let's see if we have the right temperature. Touching the lid. It's nice, getting a little bit warm. And a few drops of water. Water's beating. Don't need that water. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of it again. There we go. Alright, I'll let that sear for a few minutes, then I'm going to add some more ingredients. Add a little bit of spike. I love this stuff. Spike's so great. Alright, it's been a few minutes now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip over the chicken. That's good. I'm going to put in some broccoli. Okay. I like my broccoli. I'm going to have lots of broccoli today. With some green, again, lots of iron. I'm going to sprinkle a few onions around, like this, and just let that cook a little bit. And we got my mushrooms. Let me get the mushrooms in there too. Some natural moisture happening in there. Dump everything in there, it's fine. And then wait for the steam to come out of there, and then turn it down. And then, yeah, I got a little steam coming out here. I'm not going to wait for the whistle, because I've only got one chicken breast in there with broccoli, and there's a lot of dry in there. So a little steam's coming out, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shut the vent, I'm going to turn the stove down to the lower heat. I'm going to give it about 5 minutes because it's a small chicken breast, and should be good to go. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes or so. Let's have a peek. Looks good to me. Alright, yeah, taking the broccoli out and the chicken out, looking pretty good over here. And then what we're going to do over here is I'm going to add a bit of chicken broth, deglaze the pan, get some of that lovely flavor off the bottom of the pan, which actually helps clean it as well, but I want the flavor is what I really want. And then I'm going to add a little bit of, steam coming out of there. There we go. I'm going to add a bit of soy sauce, like that. And then we're going to add some shirataki noodles. What I'm going to do on my chicken, so that gets a little hot. I have spicy salsa. Put on my chicken like that. And then get the noodles out. There we have it. Another dinner for one on the road. Got chicken with salsa. I got shirataki noodles with onions and mushroom and some broccoli. Nice healthy lunch. No oils, no fats. Low cholesterol, high protein, lots of iron, lots of green, lots of yummy. When you have the right tools, you can do the right job.